In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a Facebook Marketplace post shareable. We'll walk through each step to ensure your listing is visible to the right audience so you can share your fantastic offer with friends, family, and potential buyers more widely. Let's get started. First of all, you'll want to open up Facebook. If you're not already logged in, go ahead and enter your credentials to access your account. Once you're on the Facebook homepage, you'll notice a list of options on the left-hand side of the screen. Scroll down until you see the See More option beneath these choices. Give that a click, and it should expand to reveal further menu options. Now look for the Marketplace icon. It's the one that resembles a little storefront. Click on it, and this will take you straight to the Facebook Marketplace where you can view, buy, and sell items. Once you're in the Marketplace area, focus your attention on the left-hand menu again and select Selling. This is where all your active listings live. You'll see a list of your current listings that you're selling. If you don't have any listings yet, you can take this opportunity to create a new one. But for those who do have listings, locate the specific post you wish to make shareable. Once you've found it, click on Share. This button is usually found right beneath the image or the main description of your listing. Clicking Share brings up various options for you to distribute your post. You can choose to share your item directly through Messenger, WhatsApp, post it to a group, or simply copy the listing link. Copying the link is particularly useful as it allows you to paste it wherever you'd like, such as in emails or other social media platforms. Once you've made your choice, proceed by clicking Share Now. After you've shared your post, it's essential to check that everything is displaying how you'd like it. Head back to your profile to confirm the listing is visible and shared correctly. When on your profile page, make sure that any privacy settings are appropriately adjusted. Ensure your post is public, otherwise people who are not friends with you on Facebook might not see it. And there you have it. You've successfully made your Facebook Marketplace post shareable. Remember, a public setting is crucial if you want the widest reach possible. With these steps, sharing your post becomes seamless and straightforward, opening up your listing to a broader audience. Thanks for following along, and I hope this guide was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below. Happy selling!